Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can uninstall a program from your computer. So that's what we're going to be looking at in this tutorial. But before you get started, I just want to ask, like, if this is your first time, please consider subscribing and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, let's get started. Now, to get to uninstall a program, I just want us to click on your start menu, right? And then I want you to open your settings. So once this tab is opening up, I want you to click on apps, right? Click on apps right there, and then this should be opening up. So if you scroll down, make sure you are on app and features. Now if you are if you scroll down, you just scroll down, these are all the apps that I have installed on here, right? These are all the apps that I have installed. So let's just see if I can find maybe an app that I would like to uninstall. Okay, let's say Atom. Let's say we want to install this. So Atom, and then just once you click on it, this tab should be opening up. So if you wanted to install this, click on that, and then this should be opening up. But I'm going to click on Atom, and then I'm just going to click on uninstall, right? Not modify, just uninstall. And then this tab should be opening up with this app, and its related info will be uninstalled. And then just click on uninstall, and then as you can see, it's uninstalling. So it might take a little while depending on the how fast your laptop is, right? So it's done uninstalling, right? Perfect. As you can see, it's now being removed from your computer. This is no more here on the wrist. So that's how you uninstall a program from your computer. So yeah, that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and if this was your first time, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So with that being said, that's it for this tutorial. See you again in the next one. I'm out. Peace, love, and unity.